Today we will be showing you how to replace the tape drive in a Sun L280 autoloader. This replacement will require downtime and should be scheduled with the system administrator. The first thing you will need to do is verify if there is a tape in the faulty drive. If there is, you will need to use the Unload Tape option from the main menu to attempt to unload it. If unloading the tape is unsuccessful, you will need to manually remove the tape from the drive after the replacement is complete. For more information about removing the tape manually, please see our videos about removing stuck tapes from DLT tape drives. Once you have verified that the drive is unloaded, hit the power switch to turn the unit off. Then move to the rear of the unit and pull the power cable out to prevent any electrical short happening while you are replacing the drive. Then remove the SCSI cable and terminator from the rear of the drive. Once all cables are removed, you can remove the 7 screws on the drive's rear plate that hold it in the autoloader. Once all screws are removed, you can carefully pull the drive out a few inches, being careful not to damage any of the cables. With the drive partially pulled out, you will be able to see the 4 cable connectors that connect the drive to the autoloader. All of these will need to be carefully unplugged. We recommend taking a quick picture if you are able to, as a reference for plugging these connectors back into the replacement drive. Once all connectors are unplugged, carefully hold them to the side as you slide the drive completely back and out of the library and set it to the side. Now you are ready to install the replacement. Slide the replacement drive in until only a few inches are left sticking out. Then carefully plug in the 4 cables into their respective connectors on the drive using the picture you took earlier as a reference. Once all connections are complete, carefully slide the drive in completely and secure it using the 7 screws you removed earlier. Then, reattach the SCSI cables to the rear of the drive and plug the power cable into the autoloader. Then move to the front of the library. Hit the power switch on the front of the autoloader and allow it to initialize. Ensure that the autoloader initializes completely without any errors. Now the administrator may need to rescan their hardware and/or reconfigure their backup software for the replacement drive. Any questions in regards to backup software should be directed to their software support or manufacturer. If you are having any issues with your drive replacement, please contact us directly. If your machine is subscribed to Rocket Plus, please open a ticket through your Rocket Plus customer portal. If not, we may still be able to help you. Please contact us at support@therocketplatform.com and we will respond as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching. This has been another video by the Top 10 USA Video Production Team. We look forward to sharing more content with you going forward, so please check out our YouTube channel and please subscribe so that you get notified whenever we release a new piece of content.